Hello YouTube, I am Joe, and you're about to save 150 bucks, or thereabouts. See this black cap? There's another one up front. That's going to tell you that you're supposed to be oiling that bushing that's in here. That's a non-bearing motor. Well, I just cost myself 150 bucks because that's not something you think about. You know, every day when I go to bed, I don't think about, hey, I didn't lube up my motor yet. You know what I mean? So I figured I would do this video to let you guys know if you see these on your joiner or whatever it is you have, depending upon the year of the motor, you're going to want to pop that open, get yourself a little mini oiler of some kind. And these are generally just a 3-in-1, just, you know, a 10W40, a 1030, motor oil, any light duty oil. And you're going to need like 10 drops, no more, 8 drops. You don't need a lot in here, so don't oil the living heck out of it. It's bad for the motor. But then when you're all said and done, it's a good idea to put a date on top of the motor when you oiled it so that you'll know not to re-oil it too soon. And depending upon how often you use it is how often you're going to have to take care of that. I don't know your service interval, but I would assume that probably every few years, a few drops of oil would not be a bad thing. Other than that, I might have saved you guys 150 bucks. You let me know what you think. Take care.